Hey, what's going on, guys? So I'm coming to you today with a product review. In the past, we have partnered up with Kaiweets, and we are partnering up with them again to bring you a new product that they're coming out with. It's called a voltage detector. This is really something that's simple to use, and I honestly feel like that just about every household can benefit from having one of these in it. They're relatively compact, easy to keep on hand. As you can see here, it's all one unit, simple, power on, turns on. We're right now in 12 volt to 1 kilovolt. That's going to be the sensitive area for this. You can back it off a little bit and make it a little bit less sensitive and go 70 volts to 1 kilovolt. But for checking residential household current, this is going to be an ideal piece of equipment. It will let you know if an outlet has power on it, if a switch has power to it, if you're doing any type of electrical repair or trying to figure out whether there's, a problem with a GFCI outlet or something to that extent. This little tool right here makes a huge difference. What we've got here is basically just a regular drop cord. It's a two-prong, there's no ground circuit in it, but what we can do is right now we're on the 70 to 1 kV, and we're going to stick this in here, and you'll see that it turns red and the numbers jump up. That's letting me know that there is power on this side. Now this would be what's considered the line side, and this over here would be considered neutral, but we're not going to get into electrical and all that stuff, because let's face it, if you're messing with electrical, you need to already know what you're doing before you get into it. But this will at least help you from the aspect of going to a receptacle and checking both of these terminals to see if indeed you have power. Then you could go check a breaker, see if it's tripped, and if that's not the case, then you probably need to contact an electrician. Another thing you can do too is if it has power coming through the actual cord itself, you can put this alongside of it and it will actually pick up the voltage. Now if I come over here to the other side, it really doesn't pick up anything. It's only on this side. And I bring this point up because this is an ideal tool for like an extension cord. It's Christmas right now. Everybody's doing Christmas lights and things of that nature. Let's say you went out there and tested and said, hey, I don't have any power on this drop cord. I've checked all the circuits on it. I don't have any power on it. But when I go back and I actually physically check my receptacle, I have power. Now you could take this tool and actually run it along the cord itself. And as you would go along, if you found an area that was broke in the drop cord, then what it would do is it would stop beeping. And you would continue on and then back up to where you were picking up voltage again, and then go down here to where it's open. And I'm pulling it away to show it cut off. The other feature that this thing has too is just a little flashlight. You mash and hold the button, and it's going to help you out. If your power's out, whatever the case may be, and you're trying to find out if where the problem's at, you can stick this in there and test it. If you're an electrician, this is going to help you as far as doing diagnostics inside of a panel box or something to that extent. It runs off of 2 AA batteries, so easy battery replacement. Just screw the end off, put it on. We'll turn the flashlight back off, mash the power button to turn it off, and there it is. It's ready to go. It's in standby, and all you have to do is take it out of the junk drawer like we do and walk over and test a receptacle or check a light switch, whatever the case may be, and you'll know whether it's got power on it. Now, most importantly, I want to emphasize that we really appreciate Kaiweets sending these out to us, because this is a partnered program with them. If you decide to purchase this through our Amazon link, which I'll put down below, we do receive a small commission for your purchase, but it does not change anything in your pricing. But guys, listen, this is the HT100s from Kaiweets. Stick with us, because we have got another Kaiweets product that we're going to be reviewing that's a little more advanced than this, and that video will be coming out in the future. So be sure and hit that subscribe button, tick that bell so you get notified, give us a thumbs up, and drop comments or questions down below. And as always, we appreciate you tuning in.